In the balance sheet, right hand side is asset side, left hand is the liability. In the trial balance, left hand is the asset side, right hand is the liability side. Whatever the difference comes, that is 2,600 will appear in the profit and loss account debit side. Depreciate the furniture. Your value has been come down by how much percentage? 10%. Machinery by 15%, computer by 60%. Your opening balance is only from the last year we got 1 lakh rupees. This year your profit is 72,400. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Financial Accounting 1, first semester, BCom, Unit 2, Session 6 I am going to take. What is the chapter name? You are going to Unit 2, Final Accounts of Sole Trading Concern. What this is? Final Accounts of Sole Trading Concern. An account which is prepared at the end of the year is called Final Accounts. So in the final account, we have got 3 divisions. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is a balance sheet. Which are the 3 divisions are? One is a trading account, one is a profit and loss account, one is a balance sheet. So final accounts is based on trial balance. So we are doing the final accounts of a sole trading concern, means individual businessman. So he will take interest. If he not taken it, if something happen, the firm has to be closed down. So definitely he will take the interest. He wants to earn the profit. He will take the risk. He will take the interest, and also he will go on moving he wants to earn the profit. No, if he want to earn the farming, he has to work day and night for the sake of the business is concerned. If he does not take the risk, then he is the sufferer of the law. Sole trading means single man business. Here he is going to prepare 3 accounts. One is trading account, one is profit and loss account, one is the balance sheet. Now, how it depends upon, I'm going to explain with this little bit trial. In the last session, we discussed about the problem, 2 or 3 problems we have discussed. This session, we are going to discuss one more problem with a good good adjustment. I'm going to explain. See that this is a trial balance account of a sole trader. Following the trial balance belongs to Prema Traders. As on 31/3/2017, so 31 March means start with April, end with March. How it starts? 1/4/2016 to 31/3/2017. This is your financial. It starts from April to March is called financial year. Start with January, end with December is called calendar year. I will repeat. Start with January, end with December is called calendar year. Start with April, end with March is called financial year. Oh, okay. So they have given a trial balance. Trial balance has got 2 sides. One is called debit side, one is the credit side. How the trial balance has been prepared? First, we have got journal entry to ledger. Ledger figure has been transferred to debit side and credit side. Then how they will arrange? How they arrange debit side and the credit side is a problem. How they will arrange? So they will arrange like this. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liabilities. Debit side shows assets and expenses. This goes to asset, debit side. This goes to incomes and liabilities. Debit the losses, credit the gain. Assets on the debit side, liability on the credit. So you must be very, very careful about this. All the assets will come on the debit side. All the liability will become on the credit side. Balance sheet is the opposite of trial balance. Balance sheet is the opposite of trial balance. In the balance sheet, right hand side is asset side, left hand is the liability. In the trial balance, left hand is the asset side, right hand is the liability side. So balance sheet is the opposite of the trial balance. Here, if you go through now one by one, drawings and capital is said. Capital is a liability item. This should be deducted on the liability side of the balance sheet. What is next one? Debtor is a asset. Creditor is a liability. You have to make the mark like this. Debtor is a asset. Creditor is a liability. Cash in hand is a asset. Cash at bank is a asset. Then bills received, this is BR. This is asset. This is bill. This is liability. BP. This is liability. BR is asset. BP is a liability. Then provision for doubtful debts means this is old RBD. I will explain. This. This is old RBD. Then furniture is an asset. Furniture is an asset. Plant and machinery is an asset. Opening stock, trading account. Opening stock will come under trading account. Then purchases, this will come under trading account. Sales will come trading. This will come on the credit side. This will come on the debit. Trading account, debit side. Trading account, credit side. Then returns. See that purchases, purchase return, sales, sales return. I will explain. This is your purchase return. This is purchase return. This is your sale. This is sales return. So purchase return, sales return. I will repeat. Purchase return, sales return. That will come in the trading account. What next? Discount. This is allowed. This is received. Allowed will come profit and loss account debit side. Received will come profit and loss account credit side. Then commission received, profit and loss credit side. Then wages, trading account debit side. Then carriage inward, raw material is coming in, trading account debit side. Then carriage outward, profit and loss account debit side. Bad debt is a loss, irrecoverable money. Bad debt means irrecoverable loss, profit and loss account debit side. Salary is an expenditure. Debit side means paid, credit side means received. Debit side, paid, credit side, received. Salary, profit and loss account. Debit side. Rent and tax is an expenditure, profit and loss account. Insurance premium he paid, expenditure, profit and loss. Traveling expenditure, profit and loss. All indirect expenses will come profit and loss account. Then repair is an expenditure, profit and loss. Then computer is an asset. Your total is 5,73,600. Now it shows the arithmetical accuracy of books of account which have been taken from the ledger account, ledger to trial balance. Then I told debit side, asset side, credit side, liability side. Debit side is the expenses, credit side is the income. Based on this, you are going to prepare the sum. The item that comes from the trial balance should appear only once. The items from the trial balance should appear only once. The items from the adjustment should appear twice, minimum 2 times. So the adjustment item should appear minimum 2 times, maximum maybe 3 times. Regarding the trial balance, it should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. So I will repeat, the items in the trial balance should appear only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet, whereas the adjustment item should appear twice, once in trading account, once in balance sheet, once in profit and loss account, once in a balance sheet. I am going to explain. Here, your adjustment. All adjustments should come twice. Your closing stock is 1,20,000. Where it will come? Trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. Where it will come? Trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. Create provision for this is new RBD. I am going to explain. This is your new RBD. I will explain this. Then depreciate the furniture. Furniture has come down by 10%. Machinery come down by 15%. Computer come down by 6%. All is nothing but expenses. First, whatever the depreciation you are going to calculate, that will come profit and loss account debit side. Then deduct from furniture, deduct from machinery, deduct from computer on the asset side of the balance sheet, where the depreciation will come, profit and loss account debit side, the depreciation amount will come. Same amount should be deducted from furniture, from machinery, from computer on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then goods costing rupees how much? 15,000. How much you are going to receive? 12,000. What's the total goods destroyed? 15,000. How much you are going to receive? 12,000. 15,000 will come trading account credit side. 12,000 will come asset side of the balance sheet at due from insurance company. What's the difference? 3,000 profit and loss account debit side as loss on stock destroyed. How to show? 15,000 trading account credit side. 12,000 asset side of the balance sheet as due from insurance company. What's the difference? 3,000 profit and loss account debit side, loss on stock destroyed. I will repeat once again. 15,000 trading account credit side. 12,000 asset side of the balance sheet. Difference? 3,000 profit and loss account debit side, loss on stock destroyed. Then wages outstanding to be paid. Add to wages, that 500 will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. To be paid, to be paid. How much money to be paid? 500. Add to wages, liability side of the balance sheet. Add to, this comes under trading account. Then add to salary, then liability side of the, but still we have to pay how much money? 2,000 has to pay. In the trial balance, you already paid. How much still payable? 2,000. That will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. I will show when you are going to working out, we'll show that. Here. Regarding the provision for doubtful debts, we have got working out bad debt. As per the problem, what's a bad debt? See that. What's your bad debt here? What's a bad debt? 4,000. Your bad debt is 4,000. In adjustment. Plus new RBD. Reserve for bad and doubtful debts. What do you mean that? Bad debt is 4,000. New RBD from the adjustment. You see your adjustment here? If you go adjustment, you can understand. Here, create provision 5% on debtor, they say. See that, what's the value of the debtor? What's your debtor figure? Here, debtor figure is 62,000. On the 62,000, how much percentage is there? 5%. 5% means 3,100. 62,000 into 5 by 100. So if cancel a 0, 5 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 3,001. Add 7,100. Bad debt plus new RBD. In your trial balance, have you got any RBD look after? There is provision for doubtful debt. How much is there? 4,500. Belongs to old RBD minus old RBD. 4,500. Whatever the difference comes, that is 2,600 will appear in the profit and loss account debit side. I will show how it will appear here. Your opening stock is 90,000. You purchased 2,50,000. On the credit side, return is 5,000. What's your actual purchase? 2,45,000. How much wages outstanding? 42,000. It's already paid. How much still payable? 500. It becomes 42,500. What's your carriage inward? 1,000 as per the inward means raw material is coming in. If you come this side, no, sales is how much? 3,60,000. Debit side return is how much? 3,000. What's your actual sale become? 3,57,000. Closing stock. In your adjustment, I told you, no, closing stock, how much is there? 1,20,000 here. Then it will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. How much goods destroyed? Stock destroyed is 15,000. If you add, no, it will come 4,92,000. Your gross profit comes 1,13,000. If it comes on the debit side, it is called gross profit. If it comes on the credit side, it is called gross loss. We'll move on. By gross profit brought down 1,13,500. How much discount received? 4,500 discount on the credit side. How much commission received? 2,000. All received will come. Here salary is 12,000. How much outstanding? 2,000. It becomes 14,000. Your insurance paid is 8,000. Carriage outward is 2,000. Your discount allowed is 1,000. Discount received 4,000. Your bad debt is 4,000. New RBD is 62,000 is 3,100. Old RBD is 4,000. That is shown in the working out. 3,100. Your old RBD. This should be added, this should be minus. If we take 4,500, it will come 2,600. Then rent and taxes paid 6,000, traveling expense paid 2,000, repair you have paid 300. So total stock destroyed is 15,000. How much recover from insurance company? 12,000. How much loss? 3,000. Your bad debt is 4,000. On 60 to 5% is 3,000. Deduct 0, 0. This is 6. This is 2,000. What we have shown in your P&L account. This you have shown. This is from the working note. So your bad debt is 4,000. You calculate the new RBD 3,100. How much old are we? Last year we received how much? 4,000. What's the last? 2,600. Depreciation. Your cost of the furniture is 9,000. How much percentage? 10% means 900. Your machinery value is 30,000. Has been come down by 15%. It comes to 4,500. Computer is an asset. It has gone down by how much percentage? 60. 60% of 17,500 is 10,500. So your credit side total will come 1,20,000. If the difference is, this is 72,900 is the net profit of the concern. Once again, I will explain. Then, if you go to balance sheet, all asset will come on the credit side, all liability will come on the left-hand side. So, cash in hand is an asset. Don't write debit and credit in balance sheet because it is not an account. It's a statement of assets and liability. Cash in hand is asset. Cash at bank is asset. Bill receivable is asset. Closing stock is an asset. Your debtor value is how much? 62,000. What's the new RBD calculated? It has been shown in the profit and loss account. 3,100. What's your balance is? 58,900. Your furniture value is 9,000. How much has come down? 10%, 900. Today's value is 8,100. Then your machinery value is 30,000. How much division is charged? 15%, 4,500. Today value is 25,500. What's your computer value? 17,500. You charge 60% depreciation, 10,500. Value is 7,000 today. You recover, to be recovered from insurance company, how much money? You have to receive 12,000 from the insurance company. This is as per the adjustment. Then come back here. You have to pay to creditor how much money? 69,000. How much bills payable? 28,000. In your adjustment, there was an outstanding wages. In the trading account, you already had the wages. Here, outstanding salary to be payable 2,000. Not yet paid. Not yet paid. Your opening balance is only from the last year. We got 1 lakh rupees. This year, your profit is 72,400. Totally become 1,72,400. How much you are drawn? 10,500. What is today's capital? 1,61,900. We mean to say that we started with 1 lakh. Today is 1,61,900 means there is an improvement from 1 lakh become 1,61,000. How much more? 61,900 more. That means though your profit is 672, even actually your profit is 72. How much personally draw? 10,500. That's why it is come 1,61,009. What's the old? 1 lakh. It now 1,61,900 has come. So it will tally for 2,62,000. So, what you have to understand, first point, no? You see the trial balance. Trial balance shows us debit side and credit side. Debit side shows the asset, credit side shows the liability. Debit side shows the expenses, credit side shows the income. I will explain once again the trial balance. Debit side and the credit side. What's the debit side? I told you. Debit side are assets and expenses, credit side income and liability. All asset will come on the debit side, all liability will come on the credit side, all expenditure paid will come on the debit side, income will come on the credit side. So you must be in a position to bifurcate there itself, which are the assets are, which are the liabilities are, where it has to come. Drawing should be deducted from the capital. Capital will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability. Cash in hand is an asset, cash at bank is an asset, bills receivable is an asset, bills payable is a liability. Provision for doubtful means old, whatever given in the trial balance is called old RBD. If it is given in the adjustment, it is called new RBD. What is the formula? Bad debt, add new RBD minus old RBD. Furniture is an asset. Machinery is an asset. Opening stock will come, trading account. Purchase will come, trading account. Sales will come on the trading account, credit side. Returns, debit side, sales return. Credit side, purchase return. You must be careful. Debit side, sales return. Credit side, purchase return. Discount, debit side allowed. This will come on debit side. This will come on the credit side. Commission received, profit and loss account, credit side. Wages, trading account, debit side. Carriage inward, trading account, debit side. Carriage outward, profit and loss account, debit side. Bad debt means irrecoverable money loss, profit and loss account, debit side. Salary is an expenditure. See that how much is there? 12,000. Any outstanding comes, that should be added here. See the wages, 42,000. Any outstanding come, that should be added. How much already paid? 42,000. How much already paid? 12,000. Rent and taxes paid how much? 6,000. How much already paid for insurance? 800. How much paid for traveling expenses? 2,000. Repair already paid 300. For computer is an asset. This is 17,500. Adjustment. Closing stock 1,20,000 will come. Trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Create profit. This is the new RBD. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Depreciate the furniture. Your value has been come down by how much percentage? 10%. Machinery by 15%. Computer by 60%. All these three will come. Profit and loss account, debit side. While you are doing the balance sheet, deduct from furniture, deduct from machinery, deduct from computer. Then goods costing how much? 15,000. Trading account credit side. Then 12,000 will come. Asset side of the balance sheet. Difference 15,000 minus 12,000. Difference 3,000. Loss on stock destroyed. This will come profit and loss account, debit side. What's the real value? 15,000. Here 12,000, difference is 3,000. Profit and loss account, debit side. Then wages outstanding should be added to wages. Liability side of the balance sheet. Salary, add to salary. In P&L account, liability side of the balance sheet. Your opening stock is 90,000. Purchase 2,50,000. Credit side, how much is there? 5,000 deduct. It become 2,49,000. Wages, how much? 42,000. How much outstanding adjustment? 500. It become 42,500. Your carriage inward is 1,000. Come back. Your sales is 3,60,000. How much return? 3,000. What's the real sale? 3,57,000. In your adjustment, there is a closing stock of 1,20,000. Goods destroyed is 15,000. Then in your P&L account, all indirect expenditure will come. Salary, this is from adjustment. This should be added. 14,000. Insurance paid 800. Carriage outward. Finished goods is going out. This is 2,000. Discount allowed 1,000. Your bad debt is 4,000. 5% of 63,000. It becomes 7,100. Minus old RBD 4,500. The next figure work out 2,600. Rent and tax is an expenditure. Traveling expenses in expenditure, repair is an expenditure, loss on goods 15 minus 12,000 is 3,000. Here, gross profit brought down, discount received is 4,500, by commission received 2,000. It's a income. Then, depreciation of 10% of 9,000 comes 900. On 30,000, 15% will come 4,500. On computer, 60% will come 10,500. Okay. Here, if you add all these things, no, it becomes 15,900. What's your total? 1,20,000. The net result is 72,400, which has been transferred to balance sheet, add to capital. Here, cash in hand is an asset. Cash at bank is an asset. Bill receivable is an asset. Closing stock is an asset. Debtor from the customer, how much money you have to receive? 62,000. How much has got a doubtful? This is your new RV. May come, may not come to the extent of 3,100. What's the balance? 58,900. Your furniture value is 9,000. How much depreciation? 10%, 900. What's the balance? 8,100. Your machinery value is 30,000. How much has come down? 4,500. It becomes 25,500. Your computer is 17,500. Depreciated by 60%. 10,500 becomes 7,000. You have to recover from insurance company how much money? 12. Whatever receivable is also aside, how much money to be received? 12,000. Come back to liability side. Creditor, we have to pay 69,600. How much bills payable? 28,000. From adjustment, outstanding wages to be paid 500. Outstanding salary to be paid 2,000. Then we started with 1 lakh. During the year, how much profit we earned? 72,400. Out of that, it become 1 lakh 72,400. How much money drawn? 10,500. What's the net? This capital available at the end of the year is 1,61,900. If we add the figure, it will tally for 2,62,000. I think I have explained 2 or 3 times all the adjustments here. See that whatever the item that come from the trial balance should come only once, either in the trading account or in the profit and loss account or in the balance sheet. The adjustment item should appear twice. Sometimes stock destroyed will appear twice, once in the trading account, once on the asset side, difference in profit and loss account. Any outstanding, add to that particular head, liability side of the balance sheet. If the prepaid come, deduct on the asset side of the balance sheet. Closing stock, trading account credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Depreciation, first profit and loss account debit side, deduct from the concerned asset. For RBD means reserve for bad and doubtful debt. Debt may come, may not come. Anyhow, it won't come. Assumption formula, bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Old RBD in the trial balance, new RBD in the adjustment. There is no word called old and new, but we the teachers say that whatever we have got in the adjustment is called new RBD. Whatever adjustment, whatever the item appear in the trial balance is called old RBD for sake of the accountancy practices. Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Whatever the profit comes, that goes to balance sheet. For a capital, profit should be added. If there is a loss, capital account should be deducted. I think I have explained. So we have solved about 3 or 4 problems. In the next session, we'll come back with another good problem with a good adjustment. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class. Good day.